Kumana na uhoro ati kuri na mbirire thikitwo kihiri kia andu mwena wa Kericho, andu eri ni maikitio ngono na magakinyia igoti-ini ria Kericho magikuruhanio na ndeto iyo. Mucirithania wa igoti riu SM Nyaga akihe ruhonge rwa borithi thiku 30 ya kuhingira eri acio.
And that they were court orders. But however, we are interrogating the process of the acquisition of those court orders.
Ihinda-ini riu igoti ni rihete borithi rutha rwa kwambiriria guthikuria miri iyo kuma muthenya wa rucio. Ndeto iria ikiritwo mukonde ni munene wa borithi cia uthuthuria Mohamed Amin.
We also obtained court orders for purposes of exhumation, which we intend to commence tomorrow. So we are not talking about mass graves, we are talking about transfer of bodies for whatever reasons, which we are going to establish by way of our investigations from Nyamira Teaching Referral Hospital to Kericho.
Akiaria guku Nairobi, Amin niugite ni marathurima marua maria maheanirwo niguo miri iyo ithikurio mugunda-ini ucio uria kuratuika ni wa gikundi kia NCCK.
This matter was hyped and made sensational by the social media. There wasn't anything like a mass grave, and we were able to establish that these were bodies transferred from Nyamira District Referral Hospital to a private cemetery in Kericho belonging to NCCK.
Ihinda-ini riu muthikabu wa kanitha wa ACK Diocese ya Kericho Ernest Ng'eno niugite kanitha wake ndukuruhanite na mugunda ucio wa makaburini.
As we are talking today, we were able to arrest 2 suspects who are persons of interest to us, and we obtained 30 days custodial sentence so to enable us progress the investigations.
Miario iria yukite thiku nini thutha wa gavana wa Kericho kuga mugunda ucio ni wa kanitha iyo.
Hii shamba ni ya ACK kanisa na ni ya NCCK. Hii shamba ni ya NCCK. It is a private one.
Similarly, we also obtained court orders for purposes of exhumation, which we intend to commence tomorrow. So we are not talking about mass graves, we are talking about transfer of bodies for whatever reasons, which we are going to establish by way of our investigations from Nyamira Teaching Referral Hospital to Kericho.
Guthikurio kwa miri iyo gukarugamirwo ni ihonge itiganite cia thirikari, undu umwe na gutabanio uthuthuria wa miri niguo kumenyekana wega kiria giacungiririe ikuo cia andu acio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Njau ya Kinuthia.